Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to update drivers on Windows 11. So here I have Windows 11 installed, and to update drivers on Windows 11, simply go to your search, and here you need to type in for Device Manager. So here you can see Device Manager. Just go and open this up. So Device Manager would open up this menu, and in case if you want to update drivers, you could simply go to any driver. In my case, I go to display driver, and here go and right click, go to update driver, search automatically for driver. So what it does is Windows will search your computer for the best available driver and install it on your device. So Windows automatically goes online and tries to find out the best available driver to download and install. So here you can see in this case that is the already, so it says the best driver for this device is already installed. So this is the most updated version. Either you can go for any from here, and in some of the cases it might say that Windows couldn't find drivers for certain devices, but in most of the cases that Windows will automatically go online and will update drivers. Like this says Windows has determined the best driver is the current. So basically you can do by this. Another way of doing this is going to your search, and here type in for settings. So you can see settings app here. Just go and open this. In case if you are unable to find settings, you can always go to Windows, right click, and here go and open up settings. Now once inside your here, simply go and click on Windows Update and wait for a while. Click on check for updates. So here, in case if you need an update on drivers, what it would do is Windows Update will automatically find out those drivers which need to be updated, and will automatically download and install those drivers for you. So hope by doing these two methods, you'll be able to update drivers on Windows 11. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.